Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're actually going to be going into the Gearwrench Bolt Biter giveaway winner, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really appreciate all the interaction. Thank you so much for hitting that thumbs up and leaving a comment down below in the new Gearwrench Tools Bolt Biter giveaway video. If you guys haven't checked that out, go ahead and check out my review on the bolt biter if you weren't able to get into the giveaway. But don't worry, I will be doing more giveaways in the future as the channel progresses. So if you don't win, don't worry, there's going to be more. And I try to keep it as simple as possible by liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. I didn't do any cross platforms this time with Instagram or anything like that. I kept it very simple, strictly YouTube. And I can't thank Gearwrench enough for letting me put this on for you guys, and I really hope the winner of this enjoys. So what I have here is the video of the actual bolt biter giveaway announcement, and then here it states that we have 461 comments, but those are my replies as well, and then a couple were double up comments from subscribers. So in total, from you guys, we had 258 total comments or people enrolled into the giveaway, making sure that you're subscribed. And after all of that, so 258 is still really good. So this is what you're going to win, this set right here, and I'll show you a close-up of what they have online. And online, this sells for around $140. Now, obviously, this is half-inch drive, so it's a little bit more expensive. They do have quarter-inch and 3/8 as well, and they have very large sets all the way down to individual sockets. So if you're looking at saving some money and you know you just deal with certain fasteners that you find rounded off, then you can save yourself some money that way. But they do have very nice kits put together. And for a tool like this, I think it's very affordable and a lifesaver when it comes to dealing with those nasty situations. So there it is. That's the kit. I'll also have it linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested after this video. And that's basically it. We're going to get into actually doing the random number generator. I just took it out of 258 comments, and I will then scroll through and find the winner. Now, obviously, at the time you're watching this, it might have more comments, or it might not be in the order. I'm going to put it in newest comment order, so I'll start at the bottom and count my way up. So random number generator out of 228. I believe that's what I said earlier. I don't know. But it's 228 comments. So generate. We have 110. So I'm going to start here. I'm obviously going to skip through all of this. I'm going to sort by newest first. So the newest comment is at the top. I'm going to start from the very bottom and count up 110. Or I could go the other way, but we're roughly right there in the middle. So I will get back to you guys as soon as I get done with this counting. Okay, YouTubers, so the winner of the Gearwrench giveaway, and this took me about 2 minutes to count up, and going back through and making sure I did not, because a couple people commented more than once, so I had to make sure it was right. So the winner is Michael Shore. I will do my absolute best to get in touch with you. I'll see if I can find a contact through here. Hopefully you watch this video. Other than that, I'll try and contact you. But once again, if you watch this, leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to exchange information with you, or you can find me on Facebook at Tony the Technician, Instagram at Tony the Technician. Search Tony the Technician. You'll find my contact information, my email, all of that. So there you are. Congratulations, and I really hope the rest of you guys stay tuned for future giveaways and future content, and I really hope you guys enjoy the videos that I produce. And 2021, things are going to continue to get better. I have a lot of videos from last year I still have to post, but as my newer videos roll in, I really hope you guys can see the production increase, or the production kind of level go up, and I just want to bring you guys better content. So if you guys have any suggestions as far as videos, please drop it down in the comments. I'd be glad to hear it. And thank you guys so much for your support on the channel. I couldn't do this without you guys. It really, really means a lot. And once again, Gearwrench, thank you for allowing me to put this on. I love sharing things with my viewers. And once again, Michael Shore, congratulations. Hopefully I didn't butcher your name. And hopefully we're in contact soon. If I cannot reach you within 1 week's time, I will re-roll or regenerate a new winner. And I don't think I'll make a video on it. Maybe I'll go live. Maybe I'll just do it and then contact the person no sense in making other videos to continue this on. So hopefully I get a hold of you, Michael. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned. I have a lot of great content coming. So see you guys next time. If you guys haven't, make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.